Hi and welcome to this video on MySQL tutorial for beginners. You will go through a brief introduction to MySQL databases. Remember, this is the first video in this series. We will be working with the MySQL database management system. You are going to learn everything you need to get started with SQL. First, I'm going to give you an introduction to MySQL, then we are going to install the necessary tools and write our SQL queries. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the following are the topics covered in this MySQL tutorial. MySQL history, MySQL popularity, how does MySQL work, development languages that MySQL support using their drivers, what is a database, and what is a table. This course is ideal for anyone who wants to learn MySQL from scratch, but also for anyone with some basic knowledge who wants to fill in the missing gaps. For those new to the realm of databases and data management, MySQL might sound like a foreign term. In this comprehensive guide, I will explain what MySQL is and why it's such a critical tool for data storage. As you can see, guys, MySQL is a relational database management system, RDBMS. MySQL system enables users to store, manage, and retrieve structured data efficiently, used by many developers to develop web applications from small-scale projects to large-scale websites. A relational database is a collection of data items with predefined relationships between them. All these relationships organize data as a set of tables with columns and rows for easy access and retrieve. MySQL released on May 23, 1995. The first version of MySQL appeared internally on 23 May 1995. It was created by a Swedish company. In 2000, MySQL went open source, so it could be accessed and used by all people. MySQL is now supported by Oracle Corporation. In 2008, MySQL was bought by Sun Microsystems, and in 2009, Oracle acquired Sun Microsystems. Since then, MySQL is still supported by Oracle Corporation. MySQL is one of the most popular database management systems for developers, according to surveys from Stack Overflow website. As of December 2023, the most popular database system in the world was Oracle, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server, rounded out the top three, although the database management industry contains some more largest companies. Developers love its high performance, reliability, and ease of use. MySQL is so popular because of its consistent fast performance, its community version, which is free to use, and its high performance, data security, and because it's open source and easy to use and flexible. As you can see, the MySQL logo is a dolphin named Sakila. MySQL supports multiple programming languages like Java, PHP, C++, Python, Ruby, Visual Basic, Delphi, Go, and many others, enabling developers to build database applications in their language of choice. Some drivers are developed by MySQL and others are developed and maintained by the MySQL community. Now let's see the power of MySQL. Let's see why MySQL is so popular. MySQL has become the database of choice for many of the most successful open source applications, including WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, and Magento. The combination of MySQL's open source nature, high performance capabilities, robust community support, and scalability has contributed to its increasing popularity in the database management space. Over 90% of WordPress-based websites use MySQL as their database management solution as well as 46% of Drupal websites. MySQL has become the database of choice for many developers to develop web applications from small-scale projects to large-scale websites. MySQL is used by 79% of all the websites that use a known database management system. 53% of companies in the IT and services industry use MySQL as their database management solution. MySQL is used by over 25% of websites running on Java technologies. This statistic is a testament to the power of MySQL as a relational database management system. Now guys, let's see how does MySQL work. The client connected to MySQL server locally or through a specific network makes requests by typing specific SQL statements. Every client can make a request from the graphical user interface on their screens, and the server will produce the desired output. The most popular MySQL graphical user interfaces are MySQL Workbench, and for web database management, including a WordPress site, the most obvious go-to is PHP MyAdmin. Don't worry guys, we'll see all these approaches in the next coming videos. So, the MySQL server will respond with the requested information and it will appear on the client side. Now let's see what is database. A database is a structured collection of data organized and stored in tables. As you can see guys, a database is a collection of data with a structure and consists of tables that organize and display data in a way that makes it easy for people to use. I hope you understand the meaning of database. A database is a central repository containing many tables where information is managed, allowing us to store, update, retrieve, and delete data. Relational databases organize data using tables. We'll see all this in the next videos in this series. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Let's see now what is a table. A table is a basic element of a relational database. A database is nothing without tables. A table stores data in a tabular format using a model of vertical columns and horizontal rows. The database consists of many relational tables. I will explain now. A table is a basic element of a relational database. This means that a database is nothing without tables. A table is a set of values. It stores data in a tabular format using a model of vertical columns and horizontal rows, which means the MySQL system organizes data into rows and columns. A table in a database might store information about customer contact details, while another table in the same database might contain customer purchases. This means that tables are used to hold information about the customer to be represented in the database. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, we have seen in this video that MySQL is a framework for creating, maintaining, and interacting with databases and tables, allowing us to store and retrieve data seamlessly and reliably. Even though MySQL was created for limited usage, it's now compatible with many computing platforms like Windows, Linux, and macOS. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.